she, sha, shao. 3 years of language apps, thousands of flashcards, and I still couldn't say hi in Italian without panicking. I always stumble and I wish to bring something new, useful, and a beautiful solution to mentor a person in terms of language tutoring. So, introducing Language Mirror, an immersive AI powered language tutor that helps you learn by conversing with native speakers in authentic regional dialects. Let me show you a demo quickly. So, in this demo, you can choose multiple persons in 5 languages in whatever accent you want. Suppose you don't speak Italian too fluently, so you can choose a person who speaks Italian slowly so that you can be comfortable to speak different languages. It uses GSAP for rendering this beautiful animation and Material UI. It also offers a visual preference of light mode and dark mode as well. So let's choose this model, and you can uh, see a demo sound as well.
Ciao, sono Sofia. Pronto a fare un po' di pratica seria?
So it will sound like this. Let's speak something. Ciao Sofia, come stai?
Sto bene, grazie. E tu? Come ti senti oggi? Hai dormito bene?
As you saw, it started corrected it automatically, and it worked like a charm. It worked like as if a human is talking to you. How humanly it's asking me, I'm fine, thanks, and you? How are you feeling today? Did you sleep well? Also, you can listen again and again to revise it.
Sto bene, grazie. E tu? Come ti senti oggi? Hai dormito bene?
Now let's move towards its software diagram. The diagram includes a Next.js frontend, a fast API backend, integrated with Google Cloud Speech to Text API, Gemini API, Cloud Translate API, and with the use of different accents like 11 Labs, and this is the data flow. Thank you and have a really good one with learning a new language.